𝙍𝙤𝙗𝙗 and exactly how to use it. In this video, we're going to go deep dive of how to use 𝙍𝙗𝙗, a full tutorial, and how you can actually scale your Amazon business year after year. When selling on Amazon, I highly recommend you to use one of these tools in order to start selling on Amazon. With these type of tools, you're going to be able to scale your Amazon business year after year, like myself, and you're also going to be able to grow a successful Amazon business. Without these softwares, you're basically in the blind. You have no real research and data to prove your theories. So these softwares really help you out, especially if you're trying to grow a long-term Amazon business. So let's get started. So you can see here on my 𝙍𝙗𝙗. So we have 𝙍𝙗𝙗 here, and you can see in the last 7 days, the total sales have been $16,000, profit of $9,000. Let's go here to the last 30 days. More important, and we have been a little bit over $100,000 in sales, $49,000 in net profit, 6,000 units sold. This year was a crazy year because every year using these type of tools, I'm able to scale my Amazon business at least 50%. I'm going to teach you guys exactly what you should be doing when selling on Amazon. Growing your Amazon business, you really want to use these tools and make sure that you have a profit margin of 35% or higher when selling on Amazon. This is going to allow you to scale your business year after year. You can see it right here, the net margin. You want to make sure it's 35% or higher. Like I said, it's going to allow you to grow your business year after year. So if you want 𝙍𝙗𝙗, make sure to use the link down below. It's gonna help you get the perfect price, especially with 𝙍𝙗𝙗. And you can see here the basic price for monthly is $49 and the suite price is $69. I personally would go with the $49, especially if you're starting off. Don't go for this one. When you grow your Amazon business and scale it, then you could probably upgrade for this, but we all just need that basic features of product research and finding that right product to start selling on Amazon. So I really recommend you to use that basic monthly plan. Like I said, use the description down below. It's going to be in the pinned comments as well in the description, and I would really appreciate it if you could use my link. So we're back on the home page, and we're going to click product research, and we're going to do product data. This is going to allow us to find products to start selling on Amazon, and it's going to allow us to filter the exact products that we're trying to look for. So if you're new to selling on Amazon, feel free to use what I'm putting in on this video, and you can make a few tweaks on your own if you want, but feel free to copy and paste this exact info. So what I like with selling on Amazon, I like to sell products that are small and light. I like to sell products that have a high profit margin of 35% or higher, and I'm going to go over that in a few. And I also like to sell products that are over $15. Why over $15? Is because it's going to allow us to have a very high profit margin, and it's going to allow us to have that 35% or higher. Also, we want to sell products that are not competitive, in a low competition and high search volume field. We don't want to be competing with a lot of big companies. We want pretty much a little market where we can start making some money, grow our business, and scale to the next product and the next product. And then next thing you know, you have a whole product line that's bringing in $100 to $200 per unit per product, and you're scaling that. So let's go and filter through these categories and show you guys some things that you should be looking for. So we're here. I would click beauty and personal care. I would stay away from cell phone and accessories, as this is something that you have to really sell fast. I would stay away from that. I would stay away from computer and accessories. This one as well, I would put home and kitchen and dining, office products, pet supplies, sports and outdoors. Stay away from toys and games. Stay away from electronics. Household is a good one as well. Tools, home and improvement. Baby is a very big category, especially with moms. And arts and crafts. So after that, Like I said, we want to make sure that we are selling smaller products. So standard as the product here. Seller type, they have here Amazon, FBA, or FBM. We're going to click FBA. What this means is that it's shipped and sold by Amazon, which means Amazon is the main seller for that product. We want to stay away from that. FBM stands for Fulfilled by Merchant, which means that you're selling it from your house and you're shipping it to the customer. And Amazon doesn't really like FBM as much. They really prefer FBA because customers get their product from 1 to 2 business days. It's Amazon Prime. So FBA is what we're going to stick with. And FBA is the best business concept because you don't have any inventory in your house when selling on Amazon. It's literally all in Amazon's warehouse, and then when a customer buys your product, Amazon packs it, ships it, delivers it to the customer. You don't even have to do anything. You just have to supply the product to Amazon's warehouse, make sure your product is on the first page, make sure it's a high quality product, and you're done. You just collect the profit and you're able to scale your business a lot faster. So another filter, minimum price, we are going to be putting $15. The max we don't need. For minimum reviews, we're going to be putting 50. For max, we're going to be putting 550. Minimum sales, minimum revenue, let's put $4,000 as minimum revenue. And the max weight, like I said, we want to make sure that we sell products that are small and light. So I personally don't like to sell anything over three pounds. So we're going to put 3 here. Now we're going to click search. Now we have a list of products to start giving guys an idea of what you want to start selling. I personally would take a lot of time with this because this is going to be either make or break your business. You want to have the highest probability of having a successful Amazon business. So take your time with this. Spend a week, even 2 weeks, finding that right product and right niche that you want to get into when selling on Amazon. It's really, really important. We're going to scroll here and we're going to get a few product ideas and think of some stuff, and then we could get more detailed with it in a bit. So let's just start looking for some small products. So this seems like no. We can scroll down here. This is a good one. This is something that I personally think is a great product idea. We're gonna click here. So we're gonna copy and paste this ASIN right here, right? And we're gonna go on Amazon. Okay, you can see here, something like this, you can probably get it for around $1 to $2. I would say maybe around that $2 mark, $1.50 to $2 per unit. You can see here that they're selling it for $32, which means they're way above that profit margin of 35%. So you can see here how many monthly revenue, 5,000 in monthly revenue, monthly sales, 174 units. They only have 300 reviews. This is something that's gonna allow you to just get into that field of Amazon and grow a business long term. Something like this, eyelash extension bonding glue. Something simple as this. Something like this, you would need to go and find that right supplier and make sure it's a very, very, very high quality product. For this, what you would do is go on Alibaba.com and try to find eyelash bonding glue. So let's do that right now. Alibaba.com, eyelash bonding glue. So you're gonna go on Alibaba.com and you're gonna go at nighttime, because that way you could get live customer service because you're in the opposite time zone. So do this at night and make sure you contact at least 5 to 6 suppliers, and that way you can get a more accurate quote for the certain thing that you're looking for. You can see here they have one as well, bonding glue. Okay, You can click this one as well. I personally also like to make sure that the suppliers have a long history of selling on Alibaba. So I only deal with suppliers that have a history of 5 years or more. I tend to see more quality when dealing with this. If a supplier is 1 to 2 years old, I personally stay away from it. It could be a middleman that's just making a cut. And I like to deal directly with the manufacturer. So we're gonna click a few product ideas. Here, this is 2 years, so we're gonna stay away from it. Okay, let's go back up here. And let's click a few, right? Let's click this one, that's 5 years. And even though this is lash glue, they could still have that bonding in their PDF. So let's contact them. And what you would do is just basically say, hi, I'm interested in this product. Can you please give me more details and send me a whole catalog of the information on WhatsApp or Skype. So let's get back onto Jungle Scout because we're getting a little sidetracked. So Jungle Scout, it falls under all the categories that we're looking for, right? So after you find that supplier for these right products to start selling, you're gonna see, okay, how can I find the profit margin? How do I know that this is a good product to start selling? How do I know how much profit I'm gonna be making when selling a certain product like this? And don't worry, I got you. So we're gonna go on google.com and you're gonna search up Amazon FBA calculator. So Google right here, we're gonna click Amazon FBA calculator. I personally like to use it straight from Amazon Seller Central because sometimes I've definitely experienced it where either one of the platforms like Jungle Scout doesn't have accurate information with an FBA calculator. Sometimes it could be off. So I always like to get it directly from Amazon to find out that exact amount. So we're gonna just continue as guests for this. We're gonna copy and paste this ASIN here. We're gonna go back and we're gonna paste this ASIN on this. Click search, right? And you can see here, let's say the product cost is, let's say the product cost for this product is $2. And let's say the shipping cost, a product like this for shipping would be around very light, like 30 cents, because it's coming from cargo shipment. These are very, very tiny. I would say about 30 cents per unit. So let's see what's that. And we have a net margin of 62% or higher. Net profit of $20. That is extremely, extremely high when selling on Amazon. This net margin is so high that you're able to just scale your business, do a bunch of ads, PPC, do a bunch of external things that allow you to grow your business year after year. So make sure that profit margin is 35% or higher when selling on Amazon. Jungle Scout is a great tool for those basic features of product research, product tracker, and once you have your product, you're able to, with that, you're also able to track your products as well with the rank tracker. So these tools are really good, especially if you're trying to grow a long-term Amazon business. It gives you those right product ideas and what you need to do in order to start selling on Amazon. Hopefully this video was helpful to you guys on product research on Jungle Scout, a tutorial of finding that right product to start selling on Amazon. And I really think that these type of tools are allowing you to scale your business and giving you that data and allows you to grow it year after year. Just make sure you follow these 3 steps. It's lightweight, it's over $15, it's in a low competition, high search volume field, and that's about it. Am I missing anything? I don't know, I don't think so. Yeah, just make sure it follows under these 3 rules. Oh, and also make sure that profit margin is over 35% or higher. I strongly recommend this. Nobody taught me this. I just know for a fact 35% or higher net profit margin is crucial to grow your Amazon business. It's going to allow you to scale it every year And by like the third year, you're gonna have a huge business that you basically don't have to do that much work. I personally work about 1 to 2 hours on my Amazon business per day. It's almost automated. I just need to make sure that the products are in stock on the Amazon's warehouse, make sure products are on the first page, you know, customers are happy, and that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you guys out and finding that right product to start selling on Amazon, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Peace.